What the? Back up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Get her.
Do what you're told to do.
Hey. Let's
What are you?
Let's get her.
What are you grabbing? Can you grab my?
Desmond.
What starts as a non-emergency call escalates quickly and keeps getting worse.
There we go. Hello.
What?
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm going home.
You're what? You're going home?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Some people were a little worried about you. You were just sleeping here.
What the?
I don't know. You tell me.
I just parked.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my God, you guys got my baby out here and me.
Your baby?
Yeah, I just parked.
Where's your baby?
Right here.
What the? Back up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Let me get my baby. Let me get my
Sit down.
baby.
Sit down.
My baby, put my baby in my car seat. I just
Sit
parked.
down. Sit down. Sit down. That's a lawful order. Sit down. It could have been a crash. I don't know. She's got
I just got here.
Sit
I
down.
just got here.
I need you to sit down. Sit down right there. Sit down.
I just parked.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah. You told me to sit.
See right there? Look where my finger is. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I live right here. I literally just parked.
Are there any signal 4s or signal 3s in the area involving silver mouse calling?
Thank you. No, you can pull it out. You can pull it out. That's my purse.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sit down again.
Do you guys want to walk me to my house?
No,
right
I
now?
want you to sit down.
No, right?
No.
No.
I want you to sit down. Can you check some other districts? Just double check. Good, please. It's damage to the left side. I'm not going to ask you again. I need you to stay with your vehicle, or I want you to sit down.
I'm right here.
You are not going anywhere. You're staying right here until I
know.
figure out why your son was laying in the floor of your car.
Floor.
Are you missing something?
Are you feeling it?
Please go inside. I promise you I'm fine.
Well, I feel like we should probably check everybody out first.
No, at this time you were not going inside.
You're in green,
you were
they're
listening.
blue.
Yes, I'm. Do you know who I am?
No.
I'm with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
I know.
And right now
so.
you're being detained until I figure out what's going on. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Okay. You are
No, I
being
do.
detained. You are not free to leave.
What?
I'm gonna check your vital signs. I'm gonna.
All right, I'm gonna follow them.
You're gonna
no, I'm gonna follow them because
no, you're gonna stay right there. Yes,
no,
yes.
I'm gonna follow them
stay
because
right
they got
there.
my baby.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna stay right here because they got my baby.
ma'am, listen to him, please.
I'm listening, but they got my baby, so I'm gonna stay right here.
Listen to me. My concern is your baby. It was out of the car seat on the floor.
No, he was not.
Yes, he was. Yes,
And
he
I
was.
was right
Yes,
here.
he was. Just listen to him, please. We're not gonna leave. I can't leave with your baby without your consent.
I'm not leaving. I live literally right here. You guys can walk
You pointed
me
that way
inside.
first. You pointed that way. Now you live over
No,
here.
I live right there. You can walk me. You can walk me. I promise.
You find any signal 3s or signal 4s in neighboring districts with this vehicle?
I'm not fussing.
We're not gonna leave.
I live right here. I live right here.
Okay.
Look,
Just
you
listen
can
to him,
walk
man.
with me. No, he doesn't want to sit down. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him.
No, you're not gonna hold him. You're gonna wait right here.
Yeah, we're gonna check his vital signs, okay?
I literally just parked. I got here right now. I promise you.
Okay, but we want to make sure that he's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna
He's
check.
all
We're just gonna
underneath the
check
car
him
seat.
out, okay?
He wasn't. Yeah, because him.
No, we found him underneath the car seat.
Because
My
of him.
partner had to pull him out of underneath the car seat.
Because
Sorry,
of
Jay,
him.
you just let me know as soon as possible, please. Thank you.
I literally just parked right now.
Well,
I
someone
got
called and said
home.
that you double parked, so you might have just parked.
I
You've been
didn't
here
double
for a while,
park, babe. Look, Lieutenant, I did
though.
not
No,
double park.
someone said that you were here for 2 hours.
I literally just got here. I live here. I just got here. I promise you 100%.
Driver won't stand there.
Yes, she's a driver. The kid was laying on the floor in the car. Not in the what do you call it? She's got damage. She could have been in a signal 3 or signal 4. And I need to call the complainant to confirm that he swear him in to make sure that she was here for an hour. I'm only saying vitals come back here for the kids.
Pulse 137, sat 98, 100%.
Okay, so
I
nothing broken.
No, he doesn't. He looks like he's chilling
I
right
will walk
now.
with you. I promise you.
Hot.
Firefighter Lieutenant and you, close your eyes. I 100% was not sleeping.
Why are you talking?
Huh?
Why are you talking? Ma'am, are you
I'm not disrespecting. You're on blue, you're in green. I know he's in green because he's higher than you.
No, that's not the case.
It is.
No, it's not. And you're detained, you can't go nowhere, so don't walk away. Okay?
I'm not walking away anymore.
You were sleeping, 3 people had to wake you up, and your child was in the back floor, sweating, in distress, in a hot car. So tell me none of that's true.
My baby has been sweating since he came out of my
Oh, okay. So air conditioning doesn't stop sweating. Okay. Your car was off.
I live here.
I don't care where you live. You're parked here with your car off, and you were here for an hour.
2 hours, Desmond. It was
An hour?
2 hours.
An hour minimum.
I 100% promise you not.
Well, other people, somebody called, and we're not going to tell you who called. We're not going to tell you who called. It's anonymous. Somebody called and said your vehicle was parked here for an hour.
It wasn't an hour, babe.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to believe you instead of some unbiased witness. Okay.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Well,
Go
that's
to the
perfect.
neighbor's house and you can knock on
That's
their door and let them know. I 100% am never, ever, ever, ever going to.
Well, he's checking to see if that person, what
I
exactly
know I have
the
a
time was.
sheriff that lives right here. 100%.
What does that even mean?
I also know I have plenty of people that live behind me that are not sheriffs and that don't know anything about what's going on.
What does that mean?
They
have nothing to do with this incident now.
They're normal people.
They have nothing to do with this incident right now. We do. Everybody standing here does.
100%.
Not people that live over there. I don't. When that deputy comes back and lets me know how long you were here, then we'll go from there, okay? So he's checking.
Because I'm going home in my house.
You're not going nowhere. You're staying here. Did you not hear what I said? You can't leave? Did you not hear the part?
You didn't say that part.
Oh, I didn't say that? Okay.
You know what you said? As soon as my baby's okay, then I can go home.
If you walk away, you're going to jail.
For what?
I don't know how to tell you for what. Just don't go nowhere.
I don't have to go anywhere.
Okay.
If you walk away, you're going to jail. You understand that, right? If you try to leave, you're...
I'm making sure my car is locked. What are you guys trying to do?
Go back over there.
You guys want to walk me to my house?
Nope.
So what's the problem?
I told you. He's checking some things out. And when we
I
find
didn't hear
out,
that part.
and when we find out, I'll let you know. He's going to go talk to somebody. Ask exactly how long you were parked here.
Okay. Well, he doesn't know because I literally just parked.
No, he doesn't know. That's why he's going to find out.
Yeah. So how would he know?
Because he's going to go talk to the witness who saw you parked here for an hour.
I wasn't here for an hour. I literally just paid
If
out.
the witness says you were, then you were.
I literally just paid out. Well, you guys can knock on my door. I literally had to take a shit.
Don't go nowhere.
Knock on my door.
Don't go nowhere.
I live right there.
Don't go nowhere.
I gotta take a shit.
Don't walk away.
I'm not going anywhere.
Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail.
No. I'm not going
Now you're going to jail. Stand right here. Come here.
I'm not going anywhere. Babe, I'm right here.
Take the kid.
I'm not doing anything. No, I'm
Let
not
go.
doing anything.
Let go.
I'm
Let
not
go.
doing
Let go.
anything.
Let go.
No.
Let go.
Let go of the phone.
Let go. Let go.
Do you have the kid?
Yeah, I have. You're okay.
I'm not doing anything.
You're not now.
I haven't been.
Now you're definitely not doing anything.
I
Because now you're going to
haven't
jail. Drop
I
this.
haven't been.
And you smell like alcohol too.
I don't, bro.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go of it.
Hey, you're good.
What the hell are you doing? You just made it so much worse for yourself.
Where the f*** are you?
Let go of it. What the f are you doing?
Get her.
Do what you're told to do.
Hey,
Yo.
let's
What are you grabbing?
let's get her.
What are you grabbing? What are you grabbing? my-
Desmond.
She's grabbing.
She's grabbing you?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Stop it.
All right, we're all right. We're all right.
Stop it.
We're all right. Come on. We're all right. We're all right, Desmond. I got it.
I don't have a
I'm
camera.
not,
fine,
I'm
I got it.
not touching him.
Yeah, oh, you just didn't grab.
Are you trying to go for my gun? There's no way you're trying to go for my gun right now.
I don't have shit.
I got it.
Oh.
He's trying to bite me.
Yep. Get in the car. Get in the.
She's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Get the f*** off of me.
Get in the car.
She's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Why the f*** would I get in the car if I'm not doing shit?
What's up?
Get the f*** off of me.
Get in the.
Desmond.
Get the f***
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Good, Desmond, slow down.
Sit in the car.
Get the f*** off of me.
Nope. That ain't gonna happen. You keep kicking me and grabbing my.
Hey!
Sit down.
She's gonna kick.
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit back.
Get the f off of me.
Get in the car.
Don't kick me. You're gonna be adding charges.
I'm
You're
not.
literally doing it.
I'm not.
Get in. Back up.
Get in.
Back up.
Okay, look, calm down. We're good.
Get in.
I know.
Get in.
But my suck it.
Get in.
You're fine. Just jump up.
Slide back.
No.
All you have to do is
Slide
slide
back.
back. Slide back. Slide
No.
back.
No.
Yes.
No.
That's another charge.
No.
Golly, 4. Get in the car.
You're charging me for
Get
what?
in the car.
Get the f off of me.
Oh, okay.
Get off of me. Why are you arresting me? Why are you putting me in the car?
Because you're going to jail. All right, put her on the ground. Put her on the ground.
Why?
Get on the.
Why? 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 I'm not doing shit.
Turn over. Turn over. Calm the down. What's wrong with you?
Please get off of me.
Calm down.
Please get off of me.
You gonna sit in the car?
Officer.
You gonna sit in the car?
I swear I'm going home.
You gonna sit in the car?
Get off of me.
Are you gonna sit in the car?
I swear to God. I will.
Get in the car.
Ow!
Get in the car.
Ow! You're hurting my arms. Wait, but take this off of me.
Oh, get your legs in.
No,
Get your...
I will put it inside, but I need to take the cuffs off. No, my shoe fell off. My baby and my shoe. No, please get me out of here, please, please.
Yeah, in the back.
I swear 100%, I'm not going anywhere. Please take this off of me. Get the f off of my neck.
Let's put it back in the ground. She's trying to bite me.
Why?
You want to just lay her on the ground and get a hop on? Just kick her. Grab a leg. Pull it.
Are you okay?
No.
Do you want? They're going to the hospital. Do you want to
Yeah, I
get
got
checked
him.
out?
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you want to follow them over? Or do you want to go in the ambulance?
Nah.
Oh, you have no idea what happened before you got here. Holy.
What are your charges, Jim?
3 18s and a 19. She kicked me in the balls, she kicked me in my leg, she kicked him, she bit Nick. That's 4 felonies.
How did this lead up, just so I can tell them, because I can call her?
So she was passed out in her car. A witness said she was here for an hour, passed out. When the EMS showed up, and was a couple seconds later, the kid was laying on the back floor, sweating. The car was turned off.
Okay.
He woke her up. She started acting erratic. I showed up. I said, all right, stay here. They checked out the kid was fine. They're about to leave.
They're taking the kid too.
I said, stay here until we figure out how long you've been here before I have 16 charges maybe, right? So he goes on his walk trying to find a witness. As he's gone, I said, don't leave, you're detained. You can't go nowhere, she's holding the baby. She starts walking away. I said, come over here, you can't go nowhere. I grabbed her arm and walk her back. 2 seconds later, she goes, I'm leaving, going home. She walked away. I said, no, you're not going home. So I had a 19 charge of resist.
Okay.
I grabbed her arm, I come back up, put 1 cuff on her. She had the baby still. He took the baby away. I gave the baby to EMS. He started to help me.
Okay.
She kicked back like a mule, kicked me right in the balls. And then I put her against the car. I got the other handcuff on, and then from there she went crazy. Kicking, spitting, biting.
We know she's on it.
We tried putting her in the car. That didn't happen. I put her back on the ground, told her to calm down. We tried to put her in the car again. That wasn't happening. She
Did you
wouldn't go.
ride with them over there?
Yeah.
Got there. Hey, is your guy alright? You got bit, right?
Huh?
Is your guy alright? I heard you got bit.
Oh, he's over there. Hey, Nick, you okay with the bite?
I'm not good. He's good?
Okay, can I follow you there?
I'm not okay with the bite.
No.
I'm saying no, I'm not okay with the bite.
Are you okay for EMS to check you out?
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
With me is, go ahead and state your full name. Marco. So, I know that we were going to speak, but we didn't. Can you go ahead and tell me what you observed and the reason why you called us out here today?
Yes, so at about 4:50, 5 o'clock, I was going on a walk in the neighborhood and was walking from the leasing office back to my townhome, which is over here. And as I was coming around, I noticed a silver SUV coming in from the residence side of the gate. And as they came through the gate, they accelerated way above the 15 mile per hour speed limit. Kind of looked the other way as she was coming around the curve, and then I hear tires squealing as she's coming around the turn over here. As I was walking to this side facing my unit, I noticed that the car approached the parking space aggressively and immediately put her hazards on. At that point, I just figured, okay, I'm gonna go inside my house. Went inside the house for about an hour and left to go to Sprouts on Atlantic Avenue, and I noticed that the car's hazards were still on.
Was it in the same? Now, do you see the vehicle currently right now?
Yes, the Mazda.
The Mazda over there.
Yes.
When you saw it pull in, did it ever leave that spot?
So she didn't start in that spot.
She didn't start in that spot.
No, she was double parked. I'll walk with you here.
No, it's fine. Just from right here is fine.
Do you see where that black Chevy is? She was double parked next to that black
Chevy. You mean the Camaro over there?
Yeah, the Camaro.
Okay, further down. Okay, she was double parked there.
And the hazards were still on.
So that's where you saw when you walked in.
Yes.
And then when you walked out, where did you see the Mazda then?
No, when I was leaving the neighborhood, I'm sorry. When I was leaving to go to Sprouts, she was still double parked next to that Camaro.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any reason on why the vehicle would be here now?
No clue.
No clue.
No clue.
Okay.
So I thought it was odd that the hazards were still on and nobody left the car. So I figured I'd call non-emergency services, and I thought she was having a medical episode, like could have had a seizure or something.
And you saw her in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And you were sure on the time of when you walked into the house, it was 5-ish?
Yeah, approximately
a little past 5.
Yeah.
And then when you went to go leave to Sprouts, it was 6 p.m.
I can tell you real quick. Okay, so it was closer to 5:45 when I left.
Okay, 5:45 when you
as
left.
opposed to 6.
Okay, let me write that down.
Sorry about that.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything else that you feel like you need to add?
That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. No, it's all good. All right then. It's 7:28 p.m. This concludes the interview.
She was arrested for battery, resisting an officer, child neglect, and child abuse.